welcome to the video. I'm excited about this one that we're gonna do today. We're gonna go swimming for about 4 kilometers in the ocean while exploring the coast at the same time. I have a new addition to the channel today. I have a friend that's gonna go with me, and we're gonna go exploring this together. We just got out, did the first part, we swam all that, and now it's time to keep going towards these rocks and some natural swimming pools there. After swimming in these natural swimming pools, we're on our way to a massive cave. But first we have to swim in these conditions all the way over there. We just found a cave while swimming on the coast, but it's very low, so you have to walk crouched the whole time. And we're just gonna explore this for a little bit.
I've been running through the silence, trying to outrun yesterday. Every road was getting colder, every color turned to gray. Then you light cut through the darkness, like the sunrise on the sea. For the first time in forever, I remembered how to breathe. If the world keeps pulling us apart, I keep following your heart. Even when the night gets long, I know.
We just found another amazing cave. Check this out. There's a sand beach inside here. Okay, so here we are inside this cave with a sandy beach right here. Check this out. This is so amazing. I'm really glad I came inside here. Check out the view. We made it to the beach, and now we're gonna go inside another cave. We're gonna keep on exploring. We just finished the long swim for today. It was just amazing. Saw so many things. Had a nice time at the beach. Just have a 10-minute swim left to get back. So hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one.